If a woman is ignoring you, don't chase her, don't argue, and don't beg for her attention. Because the moment you pull back the right way, a switch flips in her mind that she cannot control. The psychology of ignoring a woman. There is a psychological trigger that makes a woman start thinking about you non-stop, even if she once acted like she didn't care. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to develop a powerful masculine mindset, emotional control, and self-respect, this channel will change your life. Hit the subscribe button and stay until the end, because today, you'll learn exactly why ignoring a woman the right way increases your value in her eyes. The root problem. Here's the truth most men don't want to hear. A lot of men lose women not because they're bad guys, but because they give too much attention, too quickly, to the wrong woman. When a woman feels you're always available, she stops valuing your presence. Humans don't value what comes easy, what is always around, or what requires no effort. Value and scarcity. Scarcity creates value. Think about it. Why is a luxury car considered valuable? Not because it exists, but because it's rare. When your time, energy, and attention are rare, a woman sees you as valuable. When they are available to everyone, she sees you as replaceable. The power of pulling back. If she takes hours to reply to you, don't get emotional. Don't double text her. Don't ask, "Why aren't you replying?" Never negotiate for attention. Instead, match her energy and then slightly pull back even more. If she replies after 2 hours, you reply after 4. Not as revenge, but as emotional self-control. When ignoring works and when it doesn't. Ignoring a woman works only under one condition. You must have value. A woman chases what she fears losing, not what she doesn't want. Ignore plus no value equals she leaves. Ignore plus high value equals she chases. If a woman was interested at first, but then her interest dropped, your silence reactivates her curiosity. Balanced jealousy strategy, safe but powerful. Now listen carefully. The goal is not to make her jealous in a cheap or childish way. The goal is to show you have a life other people want to be part of. Social proof plus scarcity equals attraction. Instead of posting a picture with another woman, do this. Post a story at the gym. Share a picture enjoying life with friends. Show progress, purpose, and passion. Gym session dinner with mixed group of friends, not focused on one woman. Achievements, travel, hobbies. This creates social proof. It signals to her subconscious mind, other people enjoy his presence. I might lose him. Jealousy should come from your growth, not manipulation. The masculine frame. A man becomes attractive when he cannot be emotionally controlled, when he makes decisions based on his standards, not his feelings. Masculine frame equals emotional control. If she pulls away, hold your frame. If she disrespects you, distance yourself. If she tries to play games, don't participate. Story segment for emotional connect. Think of the last time you chased someone. You felt anxious, overthinking, desperate for a reply. Now think of someone who chased you. They were the ones overthinking, not you. Chaser equals lower value. Chased equals higher value. The one who is chased holds the power. And in relationships, power is not about control. It's about respect. What to do when she treats you badly. If a woman disrespects you, ignores you repeatedly, or treats you like an option, don't argue, don't react, don't explain. Silence is self-respect. Simply withdraw. A man with self-respect doesn't stay where he isn't valued. The secret result of ignoring. When you ignore the wrong woman, she disappears. And that's a blessing. When you ignore the right woman the right way, she returns with more respect. The right one respects your silence. Because ignoring is not about revenge. It's about shifting your attention back to your life, your goals, and your purpose. A man's value doesn't come from how much he chases. It comes from how much he values himself. The moment you stop begging for attention, you become the type of man women notice without trying. Self-value is magnetic. If you're serious about leveling up as a man, mentally, emotionally, and socially, join this brotherhood by subscribing right now. And don't stop here. Watch the next video on your screen to upgrade your mindset even further. Your transformation as a stronger, wiser man starts now. Subscribe. Join the Brotherhood.